This video reviews the Import Editor tool. The Import Editor makes it easy to make bulk import mapping changes. Depending on your workflow, there are 3 ways to make changes to your mappings. First, you can easily export the mappings to revise and edit in a separate program like Notepad or Excel. Let's walk through it. So I'll click Export, Download, and I'll open the TXT file. I'll add the word edit to the skew field here just as an example. And now we'll save this and navigate back to the GoDataFeed app and click the Import button and select Upload. You can see the change I made to the skew field here in the editor. The second way to make changes located within Export is the option to copy mapping. So for example, you can click this and paste your mappings into a blank Excel sheet, make changes. So I'm going to type in test here in the description field. Now I'll select all and copy. Go back into our app, click Import, and select Paste Mapping and paste in here. Click back, and you will see the changes you made in Excel have been successfully pasted. Both of these options allow you to implement the same import mappings from one store into another. So for example, if you have implemented custom import mappings in an existing Shopify store in our app and are in the process of setting up a new Shopify store with us, you can download the mappings in your existing store, navigate to the import editor in your new store and upload the mappings, or you can choose to copy mappings from your existing store and select paste mappings in the editor tool in your new store. Both the download-upload function and the copy and paste functions work the same way. It's simply up to you to choose which you prefer. The third and final way to make bulk changes quickly to your import mappings is to click into any source or label field you would like to edit. You can type directly in the field or copy and paste values in. Don't forget the source field list is pinned here on the card to the right, so you can view all of the source fields our system is detecting in your latest import. You can highlight any value and copy-paste into the editor here like this. Finally, the Reset button in the top right corner here is to reset all mappings, so keep in mind that will remove all import mappings. So for example, if you are changing primary sources, you may want to use the Reset button because mappings tend to vary between sources. After you reset all mappings, upon the next scheduled import, our system will go through and auto-map your source fields to our system fields again, and then if needed you can make additional manual changes here in the editor. Once you have previewed all of your import mapping changes and all looks good, go ahead and click the Apply button to apply changes, and you'll be taken back to the main mapping page to do a final review. If all of your applied edits appear correct here in the mapping page, click the blue Save button at the top to complete the editing process. Be sure to check out more of our feature videos in our Help Center or contact us if you have any questions.